In this video, I'll be showing you how to select all, copy and paste with keyboard shortcuts on your Windows computer. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now for this example and tutorial, we're going to be using Google Docs, a blank web page, and let's just say I just typed in a few things, so I'm just going to use this and then I'm just going to have it like this, just as an example. Now, if I want to go ahead and select all, obviously with your mouse, you can just drag it and then select all. But if you have multiple pages of things and you don't want to do that, it can take a lot of time, especially if you have images in your document. All you got to do is press Control and A together. It selects everything that is in the document. Now, if you want to go ahead and copy anything, instead of right clicking and then pressing copy, you're going to see Control plus C is an option. So I'm going to select everything with Control plus A to copy, Control plus C, that copies it. And now if I want to paste it, I'm just going to paste it like down here. All I got to do is press Control plus V and that's it. You can copy and paste as many times as you want. Now you can also do cutting as well, which is different to copying. Copying is when you know it keeps it in the exact position, but you can paste it somewhere else. But if I do Control and X, it removes it from that position, and then I can go ahead and paste it somewhere else as well. And it's as simple as that.